Hello viewers, welcome to Backward channel Crochet lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. Allah Mighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited. May you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet crop top designs, blouses. Before starting video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel. Starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. All the designs that I am people in all new designs sharing with you today are new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to fashion watch any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country. Girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people to subscribe my channel. Stay with me. Will remember, stay with me. Bye.